Welcome to my channel. In this episode, I will examine 3 best fintech apps in the UK vis-a-vis their rewards. Okay, let me quickly summarize the benefits of this app. You see, it is convenient, secured, and cost reduction. Stay tuned for more. And grab a copper. Do not forget our target is 500 subscribers. Thanks. Now, before I soldier on, let me tell you about the concept of fintech. Stay with me. You see, fintech is a innovative creative technology in the design and delivery of financial services. Okay, let me break it down. Fintech is changing the status quo by rearranging banking services around the consumers using data and digital. Hence, often regarded as a creative disruption of the financial services. And I strongly recommend you watch my video titled How Fintech is Creating Bank of the Future. What happens to traditional banks? You will see the clip at the end of this video. That said, I hope you are getting the picture. Okay, let me put it this way. Fintech app is a mobile fintech. How? Okay, you see, the concept of fintech has been embedded in the app for customers' convenience, security, and to reduce cost. And if you care to know, according to statistics, the global financial sector will be worth $26.5 trillion in 2022, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 6%. And for fintech and mobility, by 2022, mobile transactions will grow by 121%. As a result, they will make up 88% of all the banking transactions. Consumer spending in app stores will increase by 92% to reach a smashing 157 billion globally in 2022. Moving on, I've selected 3 apps in the UK and I'd like to cover them. Please note there are about 50 or more apps in the UK, and I've decided to talk about these 3 because my friends and I use them, we've installed them, and we're still using them. First is Atom Bank. Atom Bank was the first digital only bank to obtain a banking license whilst being entirely based around mobile applications. It was a pioneer in moving away from password and to using voice and facial recognition. What's more, it offers savings and account mortgages. They have previously been crowned the quote-unquote best online lender at the World Mortgage Awards and the most trusted UK bank on Trustpilot in the year 2019. And if you care to know about their services, what they offer includes a range of fixed savings account, high interest rate than many rivals, a range of fixed rate mortgages, business loan regulated and authorized by FCA and FSCS up to £85,000. And according to reviews data, 3,343 reviews on Trustpilot, excellent 79%, great 14%, which account for 93% of the votes. App Store rated it as 4.6 from 7.7k reviews. Google Play rated it as 4.1 star from 1.1k reviews. Okay, let us talk about user experience. Atom Bank historically has always had a good user interface experience, especially on the Apple device. The sign-up process is slick and information is presented clearly. It is easy for users to see exactly what savings products are available to them, the terms of the product, and what amount they will save over the term of the agreement. As a user experience, in my opinion, I think the bank is very promising, though they can still improve or do better. Next is Monzone. You see, this is another digital only bank. Another digital bank to obtain banking license while its operation were based around a mobile application in April 2017. Since then, the bank has grown very well, tremendously if you like, and now boasts over 4 million customers. Early benefits include free cash, withdrawals abroad, and an easy way to top up your account through the app. Services they offer include interest on savings spots, overdraft, compatible with Apple, Google Pay, personal loans, get your salary on student loan paid a day earlier. I think this is very good features. No fees when spending on Monzo card abroad. Regulated and authorized by FCA and FCSC up to £85,000. Reviews: 7,479 reviews on Trustpilot, as 80% as excellent, great as 5%, which account for 85% of the vote. App Store rated it as 4.5 from 12.5k reviews. Google Play rated it as 4.5 stars from 18k reviews. User experience: the sign-up process is completely managed within the app, and it takes mere minutes to set up an account. Once logged into the application, users can immediately see the breakdown of the spending, and can access card details. And according to my friends who have used their services, they agree and share the notion that the strength of the customer services experience which Monzo positively adds to the overall user experience. Finally, I have Monez, and I'm fascinated by the story behind this digital bank. Please stay with me and take a listening. You see, in 2014, Monez founder Norris Cooper moved from Estonia to the United Kingdom. He had no immediate proof of address or UK credit history, which made it impossible for Cooper to open a bank account. This in turn inhibited him from being able to rent or receive salary. This in turn inhibited him from being able to rent or receive salary. As a result, mobile-centric Monez launched in 2015 and enable people to create an account without a UK addresses. Monez has won several awards, including Best Challenger Bank, and now boasts over 2 million customers. Voila! I say a digital bank created out of frustration and personal experience. Okay, services they render, the services they offer. Current account for both GBP and EUR, which is Euro, real-time budgeting and notification, business accounts, cash deposit and withdrawal through the post office or PayPal. Charges applied though. Compatible with app and Google Play. Fees, less spending or withdrawal abroad. Regulated and authorized by FCA but not FSCS. Reviews: 15,182 reviews on Trustpilot. Excellent 76%, great 11%, which account for 87% of the votes. App Store rated is at 4.8 star from 27.8k reviews. Google Play rated is at 4.5 star from 35k reviews. The standout feature for Monez has to be the ability to sign up for the account without proof of address. This will enable people new to UK to manage their finances from the get-go rather. Well, here comes the best part. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. And many thanks to those who have already subscribed. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.